Good day, guys. It's your boy Jason and the manager. I'm here to take you on today's tutorial on how to enable maintenance mode on your website. So, guys, the first thing you need to do is log into your WP admin account. Go over to plugins, add new, then go over to the search bar and click on maintenance. So, install and activate that. Once that's done activating, go over to maintenance settings. So fill in your prescribed details, site title, headline, and description. Once you're done, save changes. So guys, once you're done saving changes, open your website on a private browser to check if it works. So input your website URL. There you go, you can see your website is automatically on maintenance mode. Thanks for watching.